Today was a special day for Ender, but she didn't know it yet. As she rubbed her eyes and hopped out of bed, she could hear her mom humming a happy tune in the kitchen. "Mommy, why are you so happy today?" "Because, my little helper, I have a special gift for you." Ender's eyes sparkled with excitement. It wasn't just any gift, it was an apron, just like her mom's. "Does this mean I get to help even more?" "Of course. Today, you get to help me bake something very special." Ender was so excited. She followed every step carefully, measuring, mixing, and even decorating. But then, something unexpected happened. "Oh no, I made a mess!" "That's okay, sweetie. Mistakes help us learn. The most important thing is that we keep going." Ender learned that helping wasn't just about doing things perfectly. It was about trying, learning, and having fun along the way. "Look, Ender! Our hard work paid off!" "Can we share these with our neighbors?" Ender's kindness never stopped at home. She wanted to share her hard work and happiness with others. "Thank you, Ender. You are such a thoughtful little helper." But wait, just when Ender thought the day couldn't get any better, Mom had another surprise waiting for her. What could the surprise be this time? Will Ender's kindness lead to another adventure? Stay tuned for the next episode of Ender, the Little Helper.